Yeah, previous classes we discussed integration of sixth E, I think so. There are due to the partial fraction, the methodology is completed. Today we are entering into the separate fresh chapter, that is sixth F exercise. In the sixth F exercise, we have many number of models. After this, the sine power nx dx, and the integration cos power nx dx, and integration tan power nx dx, and the cot power nx dx. Similarly, we know that the secant power nx dx and the cosecant power nx dx. So like that, there are six models are there. We are going to find out nth derivative of the given question. So example, we are trying to take it as example here. If they mention any one person is there, if it is what is the sine integration of sine x dx means, you can say directly minus cos x. If it is sine square x is there, we don't have option. It is there. Like sine power 4x is there, sine power 6x is there, sine power 10x is there. We don't have option. It will take a lot of time to do calculation. So that is what whatever the power is there in the trigonometric components. So we need to find out nth derivatives right now. So if you take, we have a direct formula, divided for sine n minus 1 by n minus 1 plus c. After derivating, we have a derivative formula. In this formula, whatever the value of n, you can take just a substitute in the formula, you'll get direct answer. No need to do entire integration. Once you do single time, you can leave it out. A single procedure is enough for that. That is what every case I need to derive it clearly. Nth derivative, how it is the foundation. Then after that examination, the sample question they'll ask, find out the sine power nx dx derivation. Then from that we can calculate integration of sine power 6x dx is equal to how much. It means first of all you need to derive the formula. Then after you go for find out the sine power 6x dx. After deriving formula, you can substitute the value of 6. This is one case. Sometimes they'll ask that what is the integration of sine power 10x dx. You can calculate. So if you remember the formula, it's no problem. You can directly write the formula, you can enter. If you are able to forget, you know the procedure, then your examination, you need to derive the formula. It will take 2 minutes. Then you can write the form, apply the 10 value in the formula, you'll get the answer. So two methodologies are there. So better to do derivation in the examination. That will be a good impression on you. Even they are not asking the value. So long answer is mandatory to derive and find out the required value. So these six derivations, integration, I should explain very clearly. I think today I'll try to go these two possible. I'll do enter. If not possible, I'll go at least one or two, three. The rest of two, three, I'll complete it tomorrow session. So here many integrations, many derivations will introduce inside. So we must be careful when you're doing the UV pattern, all these things. So that is the thing. You should be revised. Previous classes, you must be ready for to face situation is next class. Okay. Now let us. We will try to take some sample questions are there. Then after the working, I'll enter into that your the 10th board direction. So sixth question. The first one is Telugu Academy textbook. Evaluate the following integrals. So just they're asking sample questions. Integration of e power x into 1 plus x square into dx. This is what the question it is there. Integration e power x into 1 plus x square dx. So let us this I'll simplify the question. It is what do you have to do? Integration e power dx plus integration of x square into e power x into dx. It's very clear question. Okay, this we know how to do it. E power dx is what? E power x only. Integration of e power x, e power x. Plus this is what? How can you do it? X square into e power x dx. This is not a simple question because this is look like how should we look like model? Integration of UV model, because there are two functions are there. We don't want to go directly. We can apply the islet format. What is the islet format? So according to islet, you can prefer that. What is this algebraic function? What is this exponential function? So you can do which is a come initially alpha algebraic or exponential. Algebraic is coming first, then after exponential is coming. So you can take u is equal to x square. Here u is equal to x square. Du is equal to 2x dx. Okay, then after v is equal to integration of e power x dx, the value of v is equal to e power x. Just you substitute, you'll get it answer. So e power x plus this question I'm extending uv minus, what is the formula is uv minus integration of v du. It's already very LKG formula. What is the value of u? X square into vx minus integration of v du, right? V into du means 2x dx. It is clear, Nana? Good. So e power x plus x square into e power x. And after this, again there was a trick is there. Then you take 2 is a common. So e power x into dx. the situation will again change. What is the situation now? What he has to do? This is not a simple question. Again, it is look like a UV model, exponential and algebraic. Okay, now you can take and do continue there. I will try to take in the next page for your convenient for this question. So integration, what's already value you have, right? We have some other answer you got already. What is the extension? E power x is already available, plus x square into e power x minus 2 times of x into e power x dx. So UV already one time is done, then you go for another time is the UV model. So simple, again it is algebraic and exponential. You can take it as u, you can take it as v. So u is equal to x, du is equal to dx. Then v is equal to what is the left out portion? E power x into dx, the value of v. So v is equal to e power x once again. So let us, you can answer the answer. E power x into x square into e power x minus 2 times of, this is UV model. So UV minus integration of v du. What's the value of u, Nana? X. V how much? E power x minus integration of v du. What's the value of du? X. Okay. Now e power x, x square into e power x minus 2 times of x e power x. What's the integration of e power x dx? Single, right? Right now we can do e power x plus c. So you can simplify, you'll get the answer x square and x square into e power x minus 2x into e power x minus into minus is plus. So 2 e power x plus c. Already e power x and e power x is there, you can take it out. Directly 3 e power x, you might have to get it out. So I think I can take directly common e power x is available all cases. So x square minus 2x plus 3 plus c. This is what final answer. I think is clear, right? Here the trick is there here. We are taken once it is UV, still it is not clear, still we want of UV. I mean, there are 2 times you are apply the UV formula, because we cannot expect directly will come the one UV. We don't know that. The thing is what we need to clear the integration till end of the question. So that is the main intention of that. That is what we are 6th of the integration, how many times you should apply to clear the question. Okay. Then we are trying to introduce another question, second question. I think till it's clear. Any doubt it is there?
Clear, sir.
Okay, let's go to the second question now. Just simple x square into e power minus 3x dx. Okay, right. For this question, just it's look like the sample. There are 2 functions. It is algebraic, then it is exponential. So according to Eilert, you can go for a UV model. Algebraic is first preference, exponential is second preference. So you can take u is equal to x square. So du is equal to dx. So 2x into dx. Right. Then v is equal to integration of e power minus 3x dx. So v is equal to e power x is e power x, then minus 3x differentiation is minus 3. It will come down plus c. Then start apply. Let us write the answers now. U, what is the value of v? E power minus 3x by minus 3 integration v du. So e power minus 3x by minus 3 du means dx. 2x into dx. So minus into minus plus. So directly I'll write x square e power minus 3x by 3 minus into minus plus 1 by 3 I should take common. 2 you should take a common out. The question is e power minus 3x into dx. Still it is clear, any doubt it is clear or no? So right. So again, this question is again the question it is not so simple. This question is again it look like a UV model. Again it look like a UV model. I'll try to take a UV here. Minus x square into e power minus 3x by 3. Then 2 by 3. So UV can write down. What is the U right now? Second UV case here. So U is equal to x, du is equal to dx. V is equal to integration of minus 3x dx. The value of v is e power minus 3x by minus 3 plus c. Then you start just apply, you'll get the answer. U into v e power minus 3x by minus 3 integration v du e power minus 3x by minus 3 du is just dx only. Okay, it's very simple. You can do it out. Better I'll try to recopy this here only. I'll try to extension the question. Here I should directly write the answer. Okay, still it is not problem. There are second UV applying the given question. Still you're not clear, please go back and watch. X square e power minus 3x by 3. Then it is plus into minus minus. The minus 3 should be get it out. So 3 3s are 9. So minus 2 by 9. Clear? I'm directly opening the directly answers. So x into minus 3x by 3. Then minus into minus. Here minus into minus plus. The automatically it should be plus only. So 2 by 9. Okay. Integration of e power 3x is again it is minus 3x by minus 3 plus c. Clear, right? So final answer x square e power minus 3x by 3 minus 2 by 9 x e power minus 3x by 3 minus 2 by 9 3 are 27 e power minus 3x plus c. It is final answer. Here two times you apply UV model. Clear, right? Right. So
Yes,
this is
sir.
the final answer. Yes. Now let us we can take the third question. It is integration x cube into e power ax into dx. This is e power ax. So similarly, I'll give the little bit the procedure how you need to do. So what is this? X cube is come. So here you need to understand the analysis when you are taking this algebraic function. If it is x is there, only single UV come. Because when you're writing du is equal to what you're going to get, dx will come directly. Am I clear? It u is equal to x, du is equal to dx will come. So e power ax to dx in the case of v, we are going to get on a single time. If algebraic function is x square is there, what you're going to get? U is equal to x. Du u is equal to x square. What is the du is equal to? 2x into dx, because x function will come the combination of some other function. Automatically you cannot get directly, again you can go for one more UV. So to clear answer the two times you need to apply UV, you can easily identify. Then here it is x cube is there. So concept is what? One time you can take x cube, then du is equal to what is going 2x square dx. Solved one time UVs are done. Then second time x square dx will become, so automatically another UV will come, another UV will come. So like that, by looking into the x cube or some other x power, you can easily understand the question, how much time will take to clear your answers. So that is what extension here. So x cube will come here, 3 times UV will come. Okay, right now I don't want to do that. I'll give this hint and I'll move forward. First case, u is equal to x cube. Then v is equal to integration of e power x into dx. Still clear? So du is equal to 3x square dx. Then v is equal to e power ax is a constant. So e power ax by a plus c. Okay. The formula you're trying to apply. So uv minus integration of v du. Please apply. What is the value of e? X cube e power ax by a minus v du, right? E power ax by a. Du means what? 3x square into dx. So x cube e power ax by a minus 1 by a into 3 constant. So x square into e power ax dx. Again, we have to do here integration separately in the format of UV. When extension, when you do this, you will get one other UV format because x e power x will come another side. Okay, you can continue the same process till end of the answer. So this is a homework for you. I don't want to do. You can do it out. Continuations clear. I'll take another question because I don't want to waste another time. Okay, right? Clear, right? Till this same procedure, you can continue to get an answer. Yes, yes, okay.
Yes, sir.
The first bit is finished. In that the second bit, the first question. Integration, if they are asking the proof, show that x power n to e power minus x dx is equal to minus x power minus n into e power minus x plus n into integration x power n minus 1 into e power minus x dx. There's nothing a big question. It's their applied UV, they got an answer. It's a very LKG question, then you can look into that. Just you need to apply the UV. This is algebraic function. This is exponential function. Okay. I think many times I told you to evaluate according to the algebraic is first one. Inverse, logarithm, algebraic, trigonometry, exponential. So now look at take directly u is equal to x power n. Du is equal to what will come? Du by dx means n into x power n minus 1 into dx. Okay, done, good. And what is the value of the integration? E power minus x into dx. So what's the value of do if we do that? E power x is e power x minus x will come how much? Minus 1 will come. So -1 down plus c. So you can write directly answer minus e power minus x dx, sorry, plus c. It's the final answer. Now let us let's see. Okay. Now let us try to apply the formula uv minus integration of v du. What is the value of u here? X power n. What's the value of v? E power minus x by -1, automatical minus will come. Plus integration of v du. What's the value of v? Minus e power minus x into du. Du means what? N into x power n minus 1 into dx. Still clear? So next step I want to write minus x power n e power x. This minus will come out. Here it is minus is the right. Okay, minus. Oh, here it is minus will come, right? V already it is there. Du it is there. X into n power minus 1. It is okay. Oh, okay, right. It's -1 x power n minus 1. Its minus will come. So the minus integration of e power minus x. N you can take out. It is constant. X power n minus 1 into dx. Still clear? Any doubt? Okay. Dx. So the final answer that only minus x power n into e power minus x plus n into x power n minus 1 into e power minus x dx. So already it is minus into minus. I think uv minus, right? This is I forgot to write. Minus it, right? Minus into minus it becomes plus now. Clear? So then you got a proof because this is RHS. This is they are telling just you need to open the question. If you wanted to continue the question because we are trying to stop here only. If still you continue, what is the procedure? This is a U. This is a V extension. If you want to continue that, so they don't want that continuation. This clear is there. Clear, right? So still this we are trying to stop up to this class. We'll start the next session by opening that inverse. Okay. So you can continue to see. I told you in the first session, these powers will start in the next session. You can continue to watch because it is a 7 marks question will come. That is what you need to concentrate on very clearly in the next 2 classes.